Hey, this is John down here in Florida. It's a beautiful autumn day. Wind's blowing, so I hope that doesn't pick up too much. I got the dead cat on, so hopefully. You know, I've been struggling down here for some time with getting good pine bark for my bonsai soil. And the first video I made, I was cranking it through an ice grinder as a try, and it worked, but it was a lot of hard work. So what I did is I bought this little meat grinder, and it came with a number 10 on it, which I'll go over a little more in a minute. But so what I do is I just feed my big store box bark into here, into the top. Feed my big store bark and give it a twist. And what comes out of here is pushed through these small holes. That part is essentially too small. Now, if you look at the place, take this off here. If you look at what I did with this, these holes were much too small and it was grinding it too fine. So what I did is I tried to drill holes, and that became a little too much. So then I ground off the top half, and it started producing pieces about, you know, that size, which is a good size for what I wanted. But researched a little more, and I was able to find this number 12 here, and that's got a much bigger hole. So I'll just put this back in with the notch down there. Load the front back on. Charge it up with a little more bark here. And give it a grind. All right. So you can see it's producing a much finer bark. So what I do is just give it a little shake to get rid of the vines. And there I have nice compact bark that is perfect for what I need. Parts that are too small, just discard or throw in the garden. So this is my continuing struggle. This is just a standard meat grinder that I got on Amazon, and I'll have a link for this. And I put a number 12, excuse me. This is a number 12 that I put in here, and it comes out just about the right size every time. So that is taking care of part of my problem. This grinder is fairly easy to turn. So watch, don't push your fingers down in it. Just like if you were making sausage. And oops. Once in a while you get a big chunk, and a little reverse. It's ready to go. And back the other way, and it works again. Like I said, this is an 1/8 inch screen. Give it a shake, and what comes out is the keeping bark. And there it is. It looks just as fine as it can be. So I hope that helps you out and helps you get some bark for your bonsai soil. I'm John down here in Florida. Remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to get a notification when a new video comes up, and jump by the site to support me at thebonsaiseed.com. Thanks a lot.